And let's focus now on the SIR process in Bihar, remember petitions against it are being heard by the top court, the Supreme Court today, while hearing a batch of petitions against the special intensive revision exercise of the voter list in Bihar. Pointed out the Election Commission has increased the number of identification proofs from 7 to 11 proofs being valid now. So Supreme Court, in a sense, backing the poll body over identity proof, saying only one of the 11 is being sought, while petitioners maintain that this exercise is exclusionary. It does not accept your voter card. It does not accept your Aadhaar card. So that is what the pleas have been raising regarding what they're claiming mass disenfranchisement that will take place in the SIR process. 11 other documents, however, have been allowed. So the Supreme Court saying that now the number of documents that are being permitted by the Election Commission have increased from 7 to 11. Well, let's go across to Nupur for more on these details. And Nupur, tell us more about what went on in the Supreme Court today. There are a host of petitions against the SIR process, pointing out several discrepancies. But the Supreme Court today, in its comments, said that the number of documents being accepted has gone up, in fact, from 7 to 11.
Well, yes, Gargi, these observations and remarks were made while the Supreme Court was hearing the arguments presented by petitioner's advocate, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi. The Supreme Court was questioning him on why they are calling this entire exercise exclusionary, as the Election Commission of India is accepting 11 documents. And Justice Joy Malabagchi also pointed out that it is not the case that they are saying give all 11 documents. They are asking one of those 11 documents. So if you have those 11, at least one of those 11 documents, you have a valid proof to be included in the voter list. But the petitioner's argument here is that not every voter in Bihar has those 11 documents. As Advocate Manu Singhvi pointed out, that out of those 11 documents, 3 documents can only be available if you are a landowner. Then he pointed out step by step how not all the population in Bihar is as educated and as equipped and is a landowning citizen, that they should have all those 11 documents, and he called them being voter friendly as illusory. But the Supreme Court still said that it can accept their argument that exclusion of Aadhaar is exclusionary, but still it appears to be a voter friendly exercise when they have increased the number of acceptable documents. The Supreme Court is still hearing the arguments and is still questioning the claims made by the petitioners. After the Supreme Court completes the hearing, the petitioner's side, it will now again go to the Election Commission of India and then ask questions to Election Commission of India on the contentions raised by petitioners. So for now, the Supreme Court has not made any final observation, but these are key prima facie questions that the Supreme Court has raised about the contentions raised by petitioners on SIR exercise in Bihar.
All right, Nupur, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So even as this issue is heard in the Supreme Court, remember in West Bengal, it is being seen that soon the SIR process could take place there ahead of elections. Now,